Okay, so this is question number 4. We've been given that the function f is defined as x going to 3 negative 2x. We have this diagram, 3 negative 2x. This is the mapping for x and f of x. So negative 1, 0, 1 and 2, this is mapped to a, 3, 1, negative 1. These are the mapping. We are asked to find the value for a. That means f of a is required. So for x equal to negative 1, we have to find out f of negative 1. Now f of x is 3 negative 2x, so it's going to be 3 negative 2 of negative 1, which is 3 negative of negative 2 multiplied with negative 1 will give me 5. So therefore the value of a is 5. Okay, so this is the next question. We are expected to find f inverse of x. Now we are given f of x is equal to 3 negative 2x. I can take this as y is equal to 3 negative 2x. Now to get the f inverse, I will replace y by x and x by y. So this is x is equal to 3 negative 2 times of y. Then you have to rewrite the equation for y. So I move the 3 to the other side. I get x negative 3 is equal to negative 2y. Then I multiply by negative 1 both sides. So I have negative x positive 3 is equal to 2y. I'm going to write it like this. 2y is equal to 3 negative x. So y is equal to 3 negative x divided by 2. So therefore f inverse of x is 3 negative x divided by 2. So that's the solution. We move on to the next one. Okay, this is the next question. We are asked to find f2 of x. This is nothing but f of x. Okay, but f of x is given as 3 negative 2x. So this is going to be f of 3 negative 2x, which can be rewritten as 3 negative of 2 times of 3 negative 2x, which is equal to 3 negative 2 times 3 is 6, negative negative positive 4x. This is going to be negative 3 positive 4x. So this is f2 of x. Now next question is we are asked to find f inverse of negative 2. Now we just found f inverse of x to be equal to 3 negative x divided by 2. So therefore f inverse of negative 2 is equal to, in place of x you substitute negative 2. So this is going to be 3 negative of negative 2 divided by 2, which is nothing but 3 positive 2 divided by 2, which is nothing but 5 over 2. So therefore f inverse of negative 2 is 5 over 2. Okay, I hope you're watching this. Now the next question they're asking us to find f inverse of negative 2. Now this is nothing but f of f inverse of negative 2, which is nothing but f of f inverse of negative 2 is found to be as 5 over 2. Now f of x is 3 negative 2x, so therefore f of 5 over 2 is equal to 3 negative 2 of 5 over 2. 2 gets cancelled, giving me 3 negative 5, which is nothing but negative 2. So this is the solution for this question. Now this is the next question. On the grid, we are expected to plot x is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to x, and x positive y is equal to 5. Okay, so let me draw the axis. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 0.0. Now x is equal to 1 over 2 is this point. X is equal to 2 is 0.5. So you draw this line. This line is x is equal to 1 over 2. Now y is equal to x, it passes through the origin. Now when x is equal to 1 over 2, y will also be equal to 1 over 2 for this line y is equal to x. So when x is 1 over 2, y will also be 1 over 2, right? So this is the line. This is how the line will move. Okay, fair enough. Now when x is equal to 1 over 2, right, you substitute here x is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to 5 negative 1 over 2, which means 10 negative 1 over 2, which means 9 over 2, which means 4.5. So when x is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to 4.5. So x is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to 4.5. That means it is over here. Okay, there is a intersection for this line x positive y over here. Okay, so let's mark that. Okay, fair enough. Now when y is equal to 0, what happens here? X is equal to 5. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So this is a point here. Okay, there is a hit here. Now if you want, you can also find the point of intersection over here. When y is equal to x, you have 2x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2.5. Okay, so at 2.5 we have a hit. Okay, so when x is 2.5, y will also be 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 will be somewhere over here, approximately, right? So this is the approximate region which we are looking for. Now over here, this line is all values of x greater than equal to 1 over 2. So this is the region, right? And above this, y is actually greater than, okay, this region y is greater than equal to x, and this region x is greater than equal to 1 over 2. This region I'm talking about, and below this region is x positive y. X positive y is less than equal to 5. Okay, so this is the region. Okay, you have to shade this region. Okay, probably I think that is a good place for us to stop and move on.